हे गाइस, सो आज हम देखेंगे जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप के बारे में। तो जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप का इस वीडियो में वी विल बी टेकिंग अप सर्किट डिजाइन। ठीक है, तो सर्किट बेसिकली जो जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप का है, इट्स क्वाइट सिमिलर टू एसआर फ्लिप फ्लॉप just with one modification. Okay, if you haven't seen my SR flip flop video, it's complete video in single shot. I have completed circuit design, flip flop design, as well as giving the functional table, truth table, state diagram, excitation table, characteristic equation, everything in single video. But in this video we will be taking up circuit design of JK flip flop. Okay, don't miss out this SR flip flop video. Okay, so now moving on to JK, as I've earlier said, it's just similar to SR flip flop, just with one modification, and that modification required due to one disadvantage of SR flip flop, which we are overcoming in this JK flip flop. Okay, so let us check out. These are my NOR gates. Okay, there are inputs. Let's say this input called is R, and here I have an input named as S. The first input will be Qn, and the opposite input will be Qn bar. Mind one thing, that here at this point we have input as Qn and output will also be at this point, that is Qn plus 1. Okay, this point, let's say this point will give me input as well as output. Okay, now connecting this like this, so here I have Qn and here I have Qn bar. Okay, now this is just a latch which will called as SR latch. Now from latch I will make it as flip flop. So attaching one AND gate and second AND gate, connecting it with the clock, giving some inputs. Now this is my single clock, whether it can be 0 or 1. If it is 0, it will work as a memory. If it is 1, it will work as in transparent mode, that is called as it is active. Okay, now you can call it as, let's say, K and J. Now it is called as JK flip flop, but still it acts as an RS flip flop. So the modification to make it from SR flip flop to JK flip flop is connecting these. This output will be acting as an input over here. Let me make it clear for you, just hold on. So now the K will be here and this Qn will be here and J will be here and this Qn bar will be here, Qn bar, and here I have Qn. Okay, now this will act as 3 input AND gate. These both gates will be acting as 3 input AND gates. So this completes my circuit. If we are checking without these, then it will act as a SR flip flop. If with these, giving a feedback mechanism, if SR flip flop plus feedback of Qn into K and Qn bar feedback into J, this will act as JK flip-flop. So this is the method to design this circuit of JK flip-flop. Okay, so guys, in the next video we will be checking out the truth table using these mechanisms. Thank you.